everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on ETV Scandal from the 27th to the 3rd of March 2023 on Monday. Jojo finally loses it and attacks someone. Dintle goes back to work but is not prepared for what she receives. Caught off guard, Vuvu resorts to lies on Tuesday. Jakes makes a shocking discovery. Mock thinks Garabo is up to his old tricks again. Tlamolo is reeled by Vuvu's shenanigans on Wednesday. Blackmailer throws too much of his weight around, unaware of a trap that have been laid. A daughter is shocked by unexpected news. Tlamolo and Vuvu gets lost in the game they didn't plan for on Thursday. Tlamolo is pulled into a devious scam against a friend. Mary arrives to do a good deed but is surprised by who she finds. Dintle tries to figure out what the future look like on Friday. Jakes gets a chance to try his hand at being an undercover spy. Bongi's on-screen debut doesn't go quite as planned. Prudence coaching riles Vuvu up. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.